Hello, I am Chastity Grady, and I am the owner of Grady Tax Plus. Welcome to the Complete Success Guide for your practice. This was designed specifically with you in mind. Yes, you. And why you? Because I have been where you are. I went to school to become a licensed clinical social worker, and I know in school they did not teach you anything about how to run a business properly. So that's why I exist. I exist to make sure that you do not get behind on taxes, you don't owe a lot of money on taxes, that you're able to have all of your business finances organized, because these are things that are going to keep you up at night if you don't take care of this one matter. So I created this complete success guide for you. It's going to take you from surviving to success. And this complete success guide is going to help you save upwards $2,500 on a professional like myself. So whenever you're ready to scale and grow, then we can look at other programs. But for now, this is saving you upwards $2,500 alone just by getting this complete success guide. So with the success guide, you are going to get your finance tracker. Your finance tracker is your bookkeeping, so to speak. So this is where you're going to track all of your income and expenses. This is perfect for you if you are still using your personal account for business, which you shouldn't, but this is what it was designed for. So if you are doing that, then this is what is for you. Or if you do have a separate business bank account, but you feel like maybe I don't have enough income or expenses coming in to need any kind of softwares or anything, then this is what the tracker is for. You'll be able to track your income, your expenses, and be able to see a general overall picture of what is kind of going on in your company. So that's your finance tracker. The next thing you're going to get is your asset tracker. So in your business and your practice, you start to acquire things that are assets like computers, laptops, expensive desk or shelving, any of those things. Those are assets. And so you want to be able to track all of those things for not only for tax purposes, but sometimes if you, for example, are a home-based business, if you own a home, your county can submit a document to you telling you to give us all the assets that your company owns so that they can tax you on those things. And instead of scrambling and trying to figure out, oh my gosh, what is all of this stuff? You will have your asset tracker already. And in that asset tracker, it's going to help you guide you on what information is needed and what happens if you do dispose of that asset, which means sell it or get rid of it. All of that is in that asset tracker, okay? The third thing you're going to get is your budgeting tracker. So this is for your personal use, because when you're in business, obviously you're in business because you want to make money for yourself, right? But what if your business can't support you personally? So you creating your budget so that you know exactly what it is that what it costs for you to live personally, and then you'll be able to match that up with what your business is bringing in on a monthly basis with the finance tracker. And if something doesn't match, then you know, okay, I need to make more money. Maybe I need to decrease my personal expenses. I spent way too much on the food last month or whatever. You'll be able to have that readily available for you. The next thing you will have is a tax deduction guide. This is going to help you categorize your expenses a little bit more easily, and it's also going to help you guide you on what expenses I can possibly take as a tax deduction. And along the lines of having a home-based business, I have the home office guide in there in there as well, so that you can guide your home office deduction as well, or track your home office expenses, okay? So that it's easy to file taxes when it's ready to take that home office deduction. Last but not least, I have the mileage tracker. So the mileage tracker is if you are using your car for business use, and it can be your personal car that you're using, but this is what it's for, to track your mileage, to know exactly what's needed when it comes to your mileage for the business tax deduction as well. Okay, so as you can see, this is a complete success guide. It's going to help you with your driving, with your home, personal, and your business all in one. Okay, your complete success guide until you're ready to start scaling, or when you are scaling and growing your business and ready to hire me as your professional. But for now, this is what you need to get started with your practice. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this guide. If you have any questions or anything, definitely schedule a consult with me. There will be a link within the guide for you to do that, as well as email me if there are any pressing questions that you may have. My email address is info@gradytaxplus.com if you have questions about this complete success guide. But other than that, I will see you on the other side.